Hey traders, just a quick little video. Sorry guys, I'm just very happy today. Yeah, in this video guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about where will gold go to if it starts to take off. All right, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Guys, anything I say in this video is generalized only. I have no idea what's going to happen. I didn't know this thing's going to take off. I believe we're going to start to see some more upside in gold and downside. Ding 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 downside in the markets. But I believe also some of you guys are thinking like, John, what drugs are you taking? I actually don't take any drugs. I'm very clean. I'm very alkaline. I'm very healthy. I don't take any drugs. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. I hardly drink. So it's called passion, guys. Passion, right? Passion for these markets, and passion. Have fun with doing these videos. So don't play trade bait. I have no idea what's going to go on, guys. Trading is risky. Causes substantial financial loss. Past performance doesn't equal future performance, etc., etc., etc. All right, guys. If you'd like to get some free education, you'd like to get access to all my trading strategies, first link in the description. Also, if you want to get my help straight away, you can book a coaching call with me. That's second link in the description. Now, let's actually get on to the video. I had a question sent to me. John, if gold does take off, where is gold likely to run to? So good question. Let me share with you what I see about happening with gold. So the first thing I see happening with gold is a lot of things that's happening right here. The overall target is up here, and if you guys haven't seen that in the last few videos, let me show you exactly why I did what I did there. Let me take everything off the screen here right now, and the reason why I want to do that is just to share with you what I see happening. Again, I see gold really taking off here. This is a very, very, very bullish pattern. But what you can see here, guys, if you look at my chart here overall, look at this here. If you look at my chart overall, what happens? We got what? We got basically pretty much a sideways channel from there to there. Wouldn't you agree? It's pretty much a sideways channel. So the overall target I believe gold is going to go to once it breaks out is a projected. It's a projected target. So whenever you see a channel in the markets, guys, do this here. You'll be fascinated. Go do some backtesting of this. You'll be fascinated how well this works. You got the high. You go down to the low, and wherever the high point was well, that's the absolute high point there. But I'm going to go on the closes and the opens on the bars, and the same thing for here as well too. All right, and wherever that goes there, you're just going to extend that up through there, and you're going to bring that down, and that there is going to be the overall target, or around about there. It doesn't have to get there, round about there, that I believe gold is ultimately going to get to. Now, if you squeeze my chart up, look what just happened. I did a little video on this a while ago, but look what just happened. Look where that trend line is. That's a projected target. This is what I call a channel projected target. A channel projected target. Where is gold likely to ultimately go to in the markets? Where is it likely to ultimately go to? Now, for me, I'm actually bullish one metal stock right now. I'm not going to tell you what that is. That's only for my private clients. A little hush, hush, shush, shush. I'm actually bearish one of the stock market stocks right now. I'm bullish a gold stock right now. So if that does happen, yippee doo day for me. If it doesn't happen, I'm gonna have a stop out, gonna have a loss. But that's okay. I'll make it back on the next trade. So the overall target I believe we're likely to get to is up here around about the 1360. Now on a short term, if we do start to break out, where else could we get a target from? Well, we could start to look at what? We could start to look at a trend line, right? A trend line. So we can see that that's been the channel through there. We started through there, we started through there, and we started through there. All right. So it's really, you can see it's really squeezing up. It's gonna pop really, really soon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to extend this out, or I'm going to do this here, but I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to extend it to the right. Make sense? And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a parallel trend line, and I'm going to bring this up through to here. Make sense? So I'm going to bring that up, and I'm just going to bring that to the top there. And you can see that's exactly where the top was, right? And it's fascinating. If you have, just do this, guys. It's fascinating when you're looking at the markets. You have this 1.1, 2, 3. Where's it likely to go to? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fascinating topic to look at. Look at this here. 1, 2, 3. Where's it likely to go to? 4, which is just basically like a a parallel trend line coming down through there. Make sense? I guess you guys would know what I'm talking about here. But anyway, what we're talking about here right now. So if this is the case, and we're getting like, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not me. I don't believe in Elliott wave. You guys, I'm gonna dislike this video because you just said I don't like Elliott wave. Elliott wave may work, but guess what? Guess what the only real truth in the market is? The chart, right? It's the highs and lows. I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting waves. I'm just saying that it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern, right? But let's go back to what the actual market is telling us. What is it saying? Oh, look at this here. We have a higher low. Low, higher low, higher low, squeezing up. And if we break out, guess where we're likely to run to? Through there. So it may not happen in one day, or it may happen one day, or we may get something like this. Make sense? And then the top of the trend line is likely to be that. Then we may get like a little sideways movement, and then another nice breakout, and then guess what? And then we continue running up through there. Make sense? So sideways movement, a breakout, and then I continue running back up through there. So that's where on the short term, we're probably going to get to this pink line, which is an extent of the parallel trend line on the short term. The overall movement, which may take a month, may take a bit more. The overall movement, I believe, we're likely to start seeing more upside there on gold. So there we go, guys. Where do I think gold is going to go to if we do get a breakout?